All of the kids are off to school. Mission accomplished. And we're going to have a fun day today. Right?
Mm-hmm. We are going to have a fun day.
She's excited.
No. What are we going to do?
No idea. I've been thinking a lot about how fun changes as we get older. When we're young, it doesn't take much. Water, sunlight, a few friends, and suddenly the whole world feels alive. There's no planning, no overthinking, just instinct, just joy. But somewhere along the line, adulthood wraps everything in layers: responsibility, routine, the constant feeling that we should be doing something useful. And slowly, fun becomes something we have to schedule, or justify, or talk ourselves into. We start calling simple pleasures silly, and small adventures too much trouble. Without meaning to, we grow cautious, predictable, a little too comfortable. Yet the truth is, fun never really goes away. It waits for us in the same places it always did. In moments we overlook, in things we pass by on our way to something more important. And sometimes all it takes is stepping back into these ordinary spaces to remember what it felt like when life was lighter. Maybe the real question isn't what happened to fun, but when did we stop giving ourselves permission to enjoy what's right in front of us? Because joy doesn't disappear with age. We just forget how to reach for it. And every now and then, when we slow down and pay attention, we catch a glimpse of that younger version of ourselves, the one who didn't need a reason to laugh, or explore, or try something new. A reminder that fun is still possible, and always worth rediscovering.
Okay. Be careful.
Doing great. Keep going. Yep. Let me know when you get tired, okay?
Yeah.
You tired yet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's the remedy.
You tell me, okay? Okay. Don't cut the fence. Okay. That's okay. That's 4. Doing great. Watch the blade, man. Careful. Don't cut the fence. Mm-hmm. Almost. All right. Watch the blade, sir.
This?
No. You're supposed to be cutting fence, man. Let's go. Right. Watch your nose.
No.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna dig your home.
Okay. Move on in. Go on in. Watch your nose.
I'm gonna rush it.
That was true, yeah.
Oh, that's why I get. Oh, I'm gonna get something.
Oh, okay.
Them charger.
Okay. Just keep the blade away from you, bud.
I'm gonna lose a feet in here.
Okay. Alright, you're talking a lot, dude. Talk less, cut more.
Me go to a theater.
Okay.
Yeah. I really got some by my nose.
Are you done?
No.
Well, keep going then. Yeah, you got it. Watch the fence. We're done?
No.
Okay, we'll keep practicing.
This one big leaf. Got a big.
All right, good job. My turn.
Eh?
My turn.
But we not get that charger.
I think you did.
Me did not get them charger.
How many?
One.
One. Okay, when's it my turn?
I'm put the shit in the theater.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What?
Grandkids.
Oh.
Nothing. Keep cutting. What? How's the French toast, man? It's good? Cool.
Good morning, YouTubers. In the morning, when I wake up, press my phone, feed chicken, go clean my shoes, and today I will go to school and do some work and see what on some tests, yes.
Bye. Bye. Okay.
Yeah, later.
Yes, later. Except you can't leave without your shoes on, Craig. Get your shoes. Goodbye. See ya. Why? Maybe we should put the case on the phone, Craig. Goodbye, Dave. Craig's leaving, dude. Mm-hmm. Sir, what you doing?
Eh?
What are you doing? You good?
Yeah.
You helping Nana? You're gonna help Nana? Cool. All right. That was a big one. Oh. You're gonna use a rake now? Maybe we could work together. Teamwork. Careful.
Sure.
Good job, Nana.
Go.
Oh.
That's a lot.
All right. Watch your head. I seen it, yeah. Well, some people appreciated the French toast and other people did not. Either way, it was pretty good. I was just envisioning like a little powdered sugar and some slices of strawberries or blueberries would have put it over the top, but it worked. It worked. Speaking of working, the parents and the kids they're getting along better, and we're trying to give them their own space, and even the kids now have their own little outdoor space. All right, who's coming out today? Hi. Yeah, you guys like it out here, don't you? Oh. There we go. Lid's open enough. Can't put it up too high because then you use it as a step to get on top of here, and that doesn't work well. But yeah, their own little outdoor living space, right next to the mom's outdoor living space. So they're still getting to know each other. Let's just say. And Dad, well, oh, Dad's interesting. Other moms. Morning. Okay. Cool. Don't even think about it. Yeah, you like jumping up. I don't think so. See, she's doing all right. One big happy family. And if you ask me, I'd say Pops is a little too interested in them, but keeping them separate for now. Until Saturday, when we see how it goes in the same environment. Come on, Mars, you're doing great. Careful. Careful. Watch out for the wall. Who taught you how to drive, man? Mars, you teaching Nana how to drive? Oh, the focus, man. The focus. You good? You got to keep going. Yeah. Where are we going with this? Right there. Nice.
worm.
What?
R&D in a worm.
A worm? What'd you do with it?
I'm killing.
You killed the worm? Why?
Eh?
Why?
I'm kind of really want to go to you.
Well, why'd you have to kill him? Why couldn't you just put him back in the ground?
Eh? Eh?
Why couldn't you put him back in the ground without killing him?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is it because you were afraid of the worm? Yeah. Are we gonna get ready for school? I think it's about that time, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye-bye, burrito. Bye-bye, burrito.
Bye.
Okay. Go to school. Okay. Ooh, that's beautiful. Let me see, let me see. Ooh, okay, let's go, let's go. She's gonna love that. Oh, Morris. Why? Here, put it with the yellow and the red. Put it with the yellow and the red. Get all three of them together. You got all three?
Yeah.
Let me see. It's ready. Okay. All of the kids are off to school. Mission accomplished. And we're gonna have a fun day today. Right?
Mm-hmm. We are gonna have a fun day.
She's excited.
What are we gonna do?
No idea. Maybe we should go. I hate to say this out loud, but Christmas decor shopping.
Where are we starting from?
There's only one place.
Highgate.
I was referring to specific stores, but now we're going to towns. We're going to different towns.
A specific store. Just a specific store. The one where you go to the all the time.
Well, we did go to Port Maria last week and got through with our fitness check, and then even checked the reverse light.
And you fix it.
I know. I was all kind of bummed, but we got through. I was thinking if we do end up going to Port Maria, we have to suffer through and get KFC for lunch. No KFC dates?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that gonna work for you?
Yeah.
Calling this the little Christmas and KFC. And the kids hopefully are gonna make Christmas lists. Realistic ones.
Me have to make one too.
Yeah.
No, I'm not making Christmas list. Nobody. No.
You can make one too.
No, I'm good.
She's gonna make a list.
I have a Christmas list already.
Yeah. Ask her if she's written it down.
Yes. It's written on my phone.
Really?
Yeah.
Building an Amazon shopping cart is not a Christmas list,
It's
dude.
written on my Christmas list. By Sunday. Don't tell me Sunday.
All right. Fun day has been initiated. We are headed out. No, we could have gone to Highgate, but no. We're going to go to Port Maria instead, our new home away from home where vehicles get registered and Sonia gets KFC for lunch. Why not? KFC date. KFC for lunch. Yeah. This is her excited face.
Yeah.
Now we can go with matching hair.
No, we are not because we have on hat.
Well, we can't both wear hats. That's weird. But we also need to decide. We're gonna go Christmas decor shopping.
Okay.
What do you think we need to decide?
What we're gonna get?
Better than that.
Light. Chandelier.
Honey, better than what we're going to get. What's more important than what we're going to get?
KFC.
KFC is more important than Christmas decor. Wow. That holiday spirit's just finger licking good. Honey, no. The amount
That we are going to get?
No, not the amount that we're going to get. You're getting warmer.
What are we going to spend?
Yay! Confetti. Sonia got it. This was the Price is Right. She would have bailed out a long time ago. But yes, we need to decide, before I put this car into drive, how much we're going to spend on Christmas decorations this year. Now, bear in mind, we have a little tree. We have some pepper lights, some ornaments from the past.
I think I should want a pepper light an hour.
Yeah, we may have to get a couple more pepper lights, but we need a dollar amount. Regardless, we need to get more stockings. I don't know what happened to the stockings.
I don't know.
Yeah,
They're not in the bag?
We should get new ones. I don't know. There's one that we've had hanging up the entire year. But we need a dollar amount. What is your heart telling you? What is it saying? Just don't overthink it. First number. I already have a number in mind.
30.
What?
About 30.
30 what?
$1,000.
$30,000?
You're not gonna
Is your hair too tight? What is... Our numbers are not the same. Ours are numbers
Alright.
$30,000.
What are you gonna buy? You not buy other stuff?
No, I'm talking about just Christmas decor.
Oh,
I was thinking
probably
like
10.
5.
Okay,
You think
let's
they're
see how much
expensive?
maybe.
I'm saying 5. She's saying 10.
Yeah.
I say she eats KFC first, and then she'll be in a better mood to not spend so much.
Yeah. Depends on how much you think.
We're in drive. Here we go. Okay, had some clarifying, so we are all on the same page. Sonia was under the impression like it was $30,000 for like gifts and everything. I was like, no, just decorations. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yeah.
KFC first? The line wasn't. The line was already started. Yeah, it's after 11. We get.
KFC. 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 Sure.
Don't eat your hand. We're gonna. Yeah.
Buy dog food and stuff.
There's still some meat too.
Yeah.
Well, that's convenient. Speaking of convenience, we did it.
Yes, a lumber cement everything.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, did not go according to plan. Came all this way for a, what do they call it, a bowl? I don't know. What do they call it?
Yeah, the bowl.
And they had no bowls, man. I was bowling with laughter. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna turn around out of here without hitting vehicles. How am I doing? I'm a wimp. Don't hit any cars. Don't hit any cars. Don't hit any cars. Anyway, yeah, we may have gone a little bit over, but it's not my fault because don't tell Mars' mom. Am I good? Am I good? Am I good?
You're that far from the car anyway.
That's right. Yeah, Mars' mom has a birthday. Not tomorrow. Thursday. Thursday. So, there we were, just looking for Christmas gifts. No, not gifts. Christmas decorations. Happened upon a basket that I think she'll enjoy. So, we splurged a little bit. We went a little. When I say a little, I mean a little. But, getting in the holiday spirit. That's right. Christmas is coming, Moms would always say. And what else did we get? Oh, and we also got to the ATM and was able to get some more funds to Shenzhen so she can do more great work over in Westmoreland to help with the hurricane. So, yeah, all in all, I would say Port Maria trip was a success. And now Sonia's in a hurry because we got to get back to go get Mars in 20 minutes and pick up a bag of cement. Oh, ready?
Yep, ready and set to go.
And go. All right, it's 1:30 on the dot, and this is not Mars' school. No, forgot. We need one more bag of cement for the Tyler. The Tyler, and it's not me, the guy that actually tiles. So we're gonna stop and give him that on the way. We'll be there in Jamaican time, soon come. But we stopped at Flow because the internet's still down, and it's bittersweet. We got our ticket number last week. Flo said, usually things are resolved or someone contacts you within 1 to 5 business days. But because of the hurricane, they're experiencing some delays. I've seen 2 different Flo people around our house. One of them was around the corner, and the other one was literally behind our house. Up a pole, literally. So hopefully we get internet back soon, but I don't know. Starlink is an option, but Sonia's cell phone is tied to the home and yacht and road plans. I don't know. It's something to explore, but yes, we were confirmed that our ticket is still open and pending. Now we're getting a bag of cement and Mars and coffee when we get home. Whoa, okay, he got hand lifted. How's he doing? Looks a little tired. Hi. You a little tired? You just wake up? Really? Want to talk about it? No? Alright, Sleeping Beauty. Guess we're going home. Ready? He says he's ready.
Ooh, fresh. It's a chill.
Yeah, we good?
No,
Yeah, how many scoops of Lasco?
it's fresh.
Lasco's not meant to be like sugar. It's meant... Honestly, I don't know what it's meant for at this point.
Blah, blah, blah.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Oh,
Watch your toes. Back away from the coffee, sir. Back away from the coffee, sir. Don't do it. Don't eat the powder. Don't eat the powder. Yeah, that's Nana's Lasco mess. I know. Starting early, huh? Yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you. I love you too. Where's Nana's hug?
Love it too, yeah.
Love you 3.
Love it 4.
Well, bracing the calm before the storm, the afternoon peace and quiet session. Without the hammock yet because the tile guy's still tiling away. I haven't checked the chickens yet. I'm hoping they're getting along. Well, you guys got tired of being outside? Huh? Afternoon eating time? You guys are good? Father? Okay, ladies, cool. We're all right. We know where to go. So far, so good. Oh, Junior's home. Who's winning?
Me.
You think so? Whoa, what kind of throw that? Oh, 6.
Dance.
Dang, bro.
The green one just moved the film.
Mm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Junior, how was school today?
Fine.
Fine. Why was it fine?
Because me do mag-school,
Mm-hmm.
bicycle,
Mm-hmm.
then the next time mag-bicycle again,
That's a lot of sun.
then mag-bicycle about to lunch time. And then
Mm-hmm.
school over.
And then you went to after school lesson. And then?
Then training.
Great.
Then
There's more.
oh. Good. Everybody just dance.
Great.
Dance. Dance.
All right, so get him.
I'm hearing.
Right.
Everybody just dance. In the lives.
Roll the nose.
Dance. Oh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 1,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3.
Okay. 6 and 3. Move them.
Move 6 on 3.
That's
Yeah, you got to count.
I got to count.
1,
1, 2, 3. Keep going.
Watch this.
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6.
Move 3 now.
I gotta move 3.
1,
1,
2, this
1.
1. This one.
No, count from here.
1, 2, 3.
3. All right, roll again.
Sure.
Get him 6. Get him 6. Oi.
Over.
Oi. 6 again. Yay, counting. starting to understand like how barbers feel when they get a fresh head of hair in the seat and they get to make it into something that it wasn't before, that was hidden underneath it. Chip away at their sculpture and make, in this case, a haircut. Because, I mean, I could find more efficient tools in this, but it's something about the process of just chipping away at it until you have a fence again. Very therapeutic, and I'm starting to understand why retired individuals have immaculate yards. There's something about just a little snip here and there makes you a little snip puts a little chip in your step. We got a ways to go before the whole like immaculate thing, but it's a start. Hey Morris, guess what? How's the kiss go? Good stuff? What do you think's gonna go over there this weekend? Right here in the corner. What do you think's gonna go right there in the corner? This weekend, we're gonna put it up. Any idea what it might be? What? Might be a Christmas tree. You want to help set up the Christmas tree this weekend? I'll take that as a yes. Okay? This weekend, Christmas tree going up. You sure you're ready? Nice. That's it. That's it. I'm calling it time of death. 7:15 p.m. Some kids going strong. Actually ate dinner, came by the house. Other kids. Interesting, bittersweet situation, right? So everybody around us has internet. And when everybody else is around us has internet and we don't, and the kids are desperate for internet, they go to the neighbors. And you get to hear this. Well, Sonya anyway. But yeah, it's a bittersweet adventure. Like, maybe not having the internet isn't so bad. But that's enough of that. We have some exciting things coming up this weekend. Turning the big 41 on Saturday. Yay. I might have 3 gallons tub of coffee, rum, ice cream headed my way. Haven't decided whether I'm sharing or not, or how it's going to fit in the freezer. But that's neither here nor there, because we'll figure it out when we get there. But all in all, it was a fun day. Did some adult things, some scavenger hunting, some supply shopping for upcoming decorating. I think on Saturday as well. We'll see. I have to get some puff paint, some puffy paints, so that they can decorate their stockings, which I found out here in Jamaica, not called stockings. They're like socks, Christmas socks. But that was a fun one because I I asked the lady that was helping us, hey, we need to get some stockings. And she brought me to the stockings. And I'm like, the ones that hosiery. Like, I don't know, maybe that's the word, maybe not. But I was like, oh, no, I'm good. I do not need those. I need the ones with a little hanger at the top that you could put stuff in. But that was eventful. Not sure if we'll hear from Flo by Friday or Saturday. We'll find out. It was a fun day. That was it. This is it. Kids are going. Kids are coming home. Dinner was mom's style, as you guys saw. An homage to mom's classics of open a bag, open a can, open a jar, put them all together, wave a little pixie dust, or in this case, Parmesan cheese, and call it a win. Sonia even said it was delicious. Delicious. You did. Yep. For dinner.
I said delicious.
You don't remember? Might have been the Parmesan cheese talking. Yeah. Really? You forgot already? Honey, you're not that old yet. Nothing. Anyway, we're rambling. You guys, thank you guys again for joining us. Smash that like button if it's something that you're into. And we'll do it again soon. Another fun one. Who knows what'll happen? I only got a few days left to being 40. I gotta live it up while I can. I even did yoga today. I'm feeling nice and limber. Haven't touched my toes in a while, and we're back to the toes are being touched. So happy birthday. You can touch your toes again. We'll see how long it lasts. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Bye.